White House and Malacanang. Malacanang, yeah, Congress thingy. Diba? Diyan kami. Pero magpa-park muna guys. Kasi gutom na. Yan guys, makatandaan niya kahapon. Nandun kami sa kabila. Ayan. What's the war? Yan. Yung War Memorial. Doon kami nanggaling kahapon. Yan. Diba? So, ngayon, nandito kami sa kabilang side. For today's video, ang layo, diba? Ayan, so nandito kami ngayon sa Parliament thingy. We go in front there. Huh? We go in front. We go in front.
Inside the parliament?
No, yeah, later. We go in here first and then we take a video later. Ay, sus ka Rudy. Kapagod ah. Wala ba? Uy! Come on. Explore pa eh. Oh, yung fountain. Chenembe. Oh, diba? Yan yung parliament. Mag-picture kami later. Alam ko na kung anong pipicture ako. Gamitin ko yung aking bag. Oh, dito. Ayan yung tatay. There you go. Pero mataas dito. Oh, diba? Tama. Diba? Picture. Yan. Sabi ko magpipicture kami dito eh. Picture kami dito eh. Ay, nandun sila eh. Wait lang. So, ayun. Oh. Magtatay. Sabi ko magpipicture kami dito eh. Ay, nako. Diba? Layo pa nalalakarin. Kami. Ay, hindi pala siya kita dito. Mas maganda dun pag ano, may harang siya. May harang siya. Pinunta namin kahapon. May nakaharang na puting building. Hindi mo kita. Diba? Yun. Doon kami nanggaling kahapon. Doon guys, hindi yung white building. Memorial thingy. Na kami sa loob kasi kakain kami. Yes. Yan. Parliament thingy. Diba? Yun yung pinaka-symbol ng pera thingy. Yung tapos yun. May tower. Scooty. Kain muna kami, tapos ikot na kami dito sa loob, and then punta daw kami sa museum. Pagod pagkakada. My God. Palayo na yung lakarin na naman ni Tetch. Ba dyan, Walter? Yes? House of Representative Channel. Dito kami guys. Magna Carta Chini. Oh, there's the House of Chenembe. Come on. Magna Carta Courts. Oh my goodness, mga Chenembe na to. I think, you want to use your phone? John?
Yeah.
You'll only get about 20 minutes though, but you're welcome to.
What's this? cutting tool.
Concealing the Magna Carta.
Chenimbe kami guys. So, what's that? Oh, writings.
That's the Magna Carta.
Oh, in different
It was from England.
language.
Problematic.
Sakit na ng paa ko ba? Ayan, luwag. It's more ano, paintings lang naman. Mamaya pakita ko yung sa loob ng, what's that? Inside the chamber? What's it? House, yeah, House Representatives and the Senate thing. It's more on painting. Ito yung mga naging ano, mga naging prime minister nila. Paikot the wound. Prime minister thingy. Parang sa ano rin, Malacanang. Diba? Naka-ano sila. Naka-painting. Portrait nila. Why this one is big?
Probably had a big opinion of himself. Billy Hughes.
Yung kabilang side. Ito ang kabilang side ng naging Prime Minister of the latest na to guys. Latest. Ito si ano. Kaisa-isang babaeng naging Prime Minister. Julie Gillard. Number 1. Siya lang ang babae. Tapos si Tony Abbott. Ito natin, kilala ko lang. That's Tony Abbott dyan. Ito na yung Queen. Hindi ko na kilala yung iba. Si Anna Elizabeth. Sino to? What's this? Hindi ko lang yung mga writings na Bark petition. Ito. Yung House of ano nila.
They're not in session.
Yeah. House of Senate nila.
There's a few more people up there. What they do behind the glass up there. So whenever you vote for a senator, John, I think you vote for the party on the Senate, don't you?
Daming mga ano. Daming mga chenimbe. Chick. Mataas kami. Nasa taas kami. Yun. What's this House of Representatives?
This one's the Senate.
A Senate daw.
Because everything's in red.
Okay. Are we going the other side then?
Yeah, it'll all be green.
Sa side. Sa side is red, green. Okay. Come on. Kabilang side is Senate. House of Representatives. House of Representatives is green. So dito sa kabila ay red. Yeah. So, ganon. Ayokong bitbitin to kasi masisira. Just. Siyempre, parang turista tayo for today's video. Pagod na si Walter eh. Maya ulit. Mahirap pag feeling turista guys ha. Ang sakit ng paa ko na kakalakad. As in. Ano to? Sakit na talaga.
Fancy having the face, so
Yeah.
that tells you something.
It's nice. House of Representatives. So this is kulay green.
And then there's a bit
Ayan. House of Representative. I think this one is much bigger, isn't it? Yeah, House of Representative. Ito. Ay, mas malaki to. Ay, parang ganun lang. Mas malaki. Ah, ganun lang din. Pareho lang. Pero parang mas mataas yung isa. Mas marami upuan. O, diba? Yeah. Mas mataas. I think that one is much bigger, isn't it? This one is much smaller. For the
I
size.
don't know what the numbers are.
Yeah.
I think it's 120 in this one.
House of Representative. Ay, may kulay-kulay pala sila. Kulay-kulay. Ayan sila. Ito.
Because they were the elected ones. Here's just the people, the public
Watching.
watching.
Yeah.
I think it would be very boring, actually. I'd fall
Oh,
asleep.
diba? Wala kami guys. So, kasha kami. Kasha. Yes.
The back of the line, darling. Alicia, at the back of the line.
Nasa rooftop kami guys. Good. Rooftop. Oh, this one. Wait lang. Yan. Dito kami sa rooftop neto. Yung sa ano? Yung sa ano kanina? Diba? Yan. Mas maganda. Ghost daw. Hindi pwedeng. Which side of this one then? Okay. Ayan, nasa taas pala kami guys. Ayan.
That's the woman.
So what? No, what's that wall? The white one?
The old parliament.
Ah, old parliament pala yan guys. Andun yung... Ah, mas maganda dito.
Not big enough for the latest politician.
Mas maganda dito, mas malinaw oh. Oh my God.
The roads again.
Diba? Galing. Ayan na yan. Maximum. Maximum. Wow. So nice. Look at that.
Glasses.
Gems.
Layo namin ah. Ano ko ba?
కార్లో ఉన్నాయా
Diba? No more photo in here? No more?
I think I'll take it.
Huh?
But
Three of us?
if I had the time,
No, I'll put my bag and then we'll take a photo. O, diba? Punta na kami guys sa ano, National Museum thingy. Ha? National Museum daw. Secret. So tiring and then we go home. Okay, wait lang. Waiting kami guys sa elevator. Sa labas. Mali ulit. So, pauwi na ko guys.
it was very good, John.
So, Parliament thingy. So, what's that on the other side? No time.
Idea.
Yeah. So we go down na. Pauwi na kami. Parking. What's on that side, Laura? What's on that side? Huh? What's on that side? Kailangan ko pa dito. Mga postfix. Palabas na kami guys. Ang dami tao. In the afternoon, more people. Yeah? Awa na kami dyan. Ito, dito. Lift. Park. What?
Your red energy is overdue, but I've just paid it. Could be disconnected. I don't think I'd notice if it disconnected us. You've got a battery. I don't think we noticed. I think it's bullshit anyway. Huh? Look at this. Look at this.
Ito yung guys, pwede kang pay parking. Diba? Why you didn't bring? You go and get. Diba? Ayan. Tapos ito yung rate. So 1 to 2 hours. Yan. Yan ang hours. So, diba? I think we're on the other side. Diba? Ito, dito mo babayaran. Diba? So, namaganto rin tayo sa Palapines. Parking space. Pay here. No, Baba? Pay here. Pay here, parking. Yes, pay here. And that's a hourly rate. Wow. 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 Wow, ang pangit. Dito na kami sa sasakyan. So, antayin lang namin si Daddy Ben. And then, halipat natin. Punta kami sa... Where are we going?
Australian Museum. National Australian.
Charge it.
Charge it?
Yeah. On the cord. You have cord?
Court?
Cord, yeah. So, ano? Australian Museum?
National Australian.
National Australian Museum daw. Yan. See you later. Bye.